In this video, I'll explain to you how to work with document libraries. In the previous video, I have just created a new document library called as BTM Project Documents using the Add an App option. So when I click on the BTM Project Docs, you can see currently this document library is not having any documents. So if you wish to add documents, you can always click on New Document and you can say Browse and you can copy some files. um, for the time being I'm actually taking some product.txt, and you might actually add one more document of your choice, products.txt, and say OK. So you can see I have just uploaded two different documents. There's another way of uploading documents is by clicking on upload files using Windows Explorer instead. So what happens in this case, it will actually open this BTM Project Documents library in Windows Explorer like this. So currently you can see in the BTM Project Docs we are currently having two different files, and those two files should be shown here. This is a kind of network share to the SharePoint folders that it is preparing. So now, for example, if I wish to have another file of my choice, I can simply drag and drop the files into the respective folders. So this is how we can actually add documents from your Windows Explorer directly into the SharePoint's document library. For example, I have another file here, or I have another file, and then I'm simply dragging both the files together into the document library. So this is how, in this example, I've shown you how we can add documents to the document library from the browser, also from the Windows Explorer directly. And now we will actually see how we can delete the documents as well from the document library. So to get this done, I'm simply going back to my web front end. I can actually cancel this window because that's been done already, and by the time you refresh we can see we have plenty of documents here. For example, let's say I don't want this file anymore, so I can simply click on this open menu option, and you can see there are plenty of other options that we will discuss it later, but for the time being, when I click on open menu option one more time, there's an option for you to delete the document. And when I click on OK, and that document is being deleted from this document library. Similarly, I'm trying to delete one more document of my choice. So this is how we can create document libraries, and we can add documents, and we can add documents also from the Windows Explorer directly, and we have also seen how to delete files from the document library.